Aiden, your intelligent voice assistant for Windows.
Hello, boss. Aiden is ready.
Hey everyone! Today I want to show you something I've been working on. Aiden, a voice assistant built specifically for Windows that actually understands your computer. So what makes Aiden different? Well, unlike generic assistants, Aiden knows exactly what's installed on your PC, what's running, and can control everything hands-free. Let me break down what it can do. First, voice control. You can say Aiden to wake it up.
Aiden? How are you?
Or use a hotkey you like. Then just tell it what you need. Open Chrome and Spotify. Done. Close Notepad and lock my PC. Handled.
I'm good. How can I help you today?
Can you open Chrome?
It understands multi-step commands and executes them in the right order.
Aiden? Can you open Notepad?
The brain behind this is Google
Opening
Gemini AI. The free tier gives you 1 million tokens per day, which is insane.
Aiden? Can you close Notepad and turn off the fan?
And I've optimized it so simple commands use 95% fewer tokens than before.
Closing Notepad and turning off the fan.
Aiden? Can you open Notepad and can you turn off the fan?
Opening Notepad and turning off the fan.
Aiden? Can you close the Notepad and turn on the fan?
If you ask, "How are you?" it doesn't load your entire system context. It just answers.
Closing Notepad and turning on the fan.
But if you say, "Open Spotify," it knows to check your installed
Aiden?
apps first.
Lock the computer and turn off the fan.
Now here's something cool. The wake word detection uses porcupine, which is 2.5 times more accurate than the alternatives.
Closing Notepad, turning off the fan, and locking your PC.
It catches Aiden with 95% accuracy and basically 0 false negatives. And speech recognition runs completely local with Vosk. No cloud, totally private.
Aiden? Aiden?
Wake word has been enabled.
Aiden? Disable wake word.
Wake word has been disabled. Disabling wake word.
Aiden? Aiden? Enable wake word.
Wake word has been Wake word enabled.
The dashboard is where things get interesting. I took inspiration from Google Gemini Live. No chat
Aiden?
bubbles, no text boxes.
Turn on the fan.
Just clean, immersive design. When Aiden speaks, the text
Turning on the
appears
fan.
with this animated shimmer effect, a gradient that sweeps across the letters. There are dynamic wave animations that change color based on what's happening. Blue for listening, yellow for processing, green for speaking. Everything updates in real time through WebSockets. You can see live CPU and memory stats, service health, and even control smart home devices. I've got an ESP32 fan controller integrated. Turn on the fan, and it just works. Under the hood, it's Fast API for the backend, React for the dashboard, Redis for caching conversations, and it scans your Windows registry to find every installed application. Currently tracking over 350 apps on my system. The tech stack is pretty solid. Tailwind CSS with shadcn/UI components for the interface. Framer Motion for animations. Edge TTS for natural voice responses. Everything's async, non-blocking, optimized for speed. And privacy? All your voice processing happens locally. Conversation history stays in Redis on your machine, or optionally in a PostgreSQL database if you want persistence. No audio recordings are kept. Performance-wise, it sits at about 3 to 5% CPU when idle, 200 megs of RAM. When you're actively talking to it, maybe 10 to 15% CPU. The whole thing runs hidden in your system tray with just an icon.
Designed. First pass analyzes what you want without loading heavy context. If you're just chatting, it stays lightweight. But if you ask to open an uncommon app, it requests the context it needs, installed apps, running processes, and then gives you the answer. This reduced token usage from 7,400 tokens down to 300 for simple queries. That's why it's so fast. Right now it's running on my Windows PC, serving the dashboard from localhost port 5000, and everything just works. One command to start it all. The back-end spins up, serves the production React build, opens the dashboard automatically, and you're good to go. I built this because I wanted a voice assistant that actually understands Windows, doesn't send everything to the cloud, and feels modern. No clunky interfaces, no privacy concerns, just clean voice control that actually works. The shimmer effect on the text, the wave animations, the instant responses, it all comes together to make it feel alive, like you're talking to something that gets it. That's Aiden, a voice assistant that knows your PC, respects your privacy, and looks beautiful doing it.